everybody. This is CP Algebra 1, Chapter 4, Worksheet number 1, Odd Answers Worked Out. We want to find the slope between the points, so we have to remember our slope equation is this. And what we're going to do is we're just going to plug it in. So I'm going to get 7 minus 3, which is 4, and 4 minus 2, which is 2. That reduces the 2, so I have a slope of 2 with those 2 points. This particular one, I'm going to go negative 8 minus negative 8, which is negative 8 plus 8, which is 0. And then I get 2 minus negative 3, which is 5. So that gives me a slope of 0. Remember, 0 on top means the whole answer is 0. If 0 is on bottom, you would have undefined slope. That would be a vertical line. And we're going to write the equation in slope-intercept form. So we have a y-intercept of 3. So that's my b value. And my slope, I can count down 1 and over 2. So my slope is negative half. We're just going to plug those in. So negative half x plus 3. Problem number 5, we have a y-intercept of 1, and I can count up to my other point. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So I have a slope of 4 over 3. So y equals 4 over 3x plus the 1, or my y-intercept. Number 7 looks like I have a y-intercept at 2. And I'm going to go ahead and count down to that point. So I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So I have a slope here of negative 4 over 3 and a y-intercept, a b value of 2. So I have y equals negative 4/3 x plus 2. Identify the slope on the y-intercept. So my slope on this one is attached to the x. So my slope is negative 1. My y-intercept is going to be 0, 4/3. Remember, you want to make that as a point because y-intercept's a point. This one, we can't see the slope of the y-intercept, so we need to solve it for y. So I'm going to add 3x to both sides. Divide by 6 and reduce. So 3 over 6 is 1/2. 12 over 6 is 2. So my slope is half, and my y-intercept, my b value, my y-intercept is 0, 2. Number 13, same thing, I want to solve it for y, so I'm going to move the 4x over by subtracting it. Then I'm going to multiply everything by a negative. That's going to be a minus 3. So my slope is equal to 4. My y-intercept is going to be 0, 3. Write the equation in slope-intercept form. That's y equals mx plus b for the following. So if I have a slope of this and a b value of this, my answer is y equals 2x minus 7, because you're using y equals mx plus b. You're plugging in just m and b. 15, they gave us the m and the b already, so I get negative 5x plus 4. Let's see. Oh, I didn't mean to do number 14. Got a bonus on that one. Number 15, we have 2 points that are given. So I have 0, negative 1, and I have 2, negative 1. So we're going to have to find the slope of that first. It looks like my slope, if I found that, it's going to be 0 over 2. So I have a slope of 0. So this is now going to be just a y equals, and it's y equals whatever this is, so negative 1. So there's my y-intercept, and that's a horizontal line. Number 19, we're going to go and we're going to use a point slope form, which is this, to plug it in, and then we're going to solve this for our slope. So I have x1, y1 are those. So I have y minus 4 equals 2/3 x minus 3. Let's distribute the 2/3 over. So I get y minus 4 equals 2/3 x. 2/3 times negative 3 is negative 2. Then add the 4. Add the 4, so I get a plus 2 there. Okay. Number 23, we have a slope of 0. If I already have a slope of 0, we know it's got to be a horizontal line. So that's just going to be y equals, and it's y equals whatever our point, our y value of our point is, so y equals 6. 25, it goes through this, so that's actually the y-intercept, so that's going to be a b value right now because 0, 3. So I have y equals negative 4 over 7 x plus 3.